Hi everyone. Of course, this is the second lesson for algebra. All these ones are just the basics of algebra. Today, we want to see how we simplify algebraic expressions. The first one says 2x squared minus 3x squared y squared, 2x squared minus 3xy squared plus 4x squared plus xy squared minus 4. So, of course, in our previous video, we discussed like and unlike terms. So, we want to collect all the terms that are alike, then those that are unlike, they come later. So, let's start with like terms. Now, the first one is 2x squared. Now, let's consider any other term with x squared. Let's forget about what is in front as a coefficient, terms with x squared. This is not with x squared. Here is another. It precedes what? Plus. So 4x squared. Do we have another term with x squared? No. So the next term is minus 3xy squared. Any other term with xy squared? It is this one. Plus xy squared. Then the final term, last term is minus 4. Remember, like terms can be added, can be subtracted. So x squared, they are like terms. Same variables, same powers. So we can add them. 2x squared added to this, 6x squared. This and this, are they like terms? Let's see. X with power 1, x power 1. Y with a power of 2, y with a power of 2. They are like terms. We can add them, we can subtract them. The coefficient here is minus 3. The coefficient here is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1. What do we get? Minus 2. So we get minus 2xy squared. Here is minus 4. Do we have any two terms that are like? No. This and this, they are unlike terms. This and this, they are unlike terms. This and this, they are unlike terms. Remember, in our first video for algebra, unlike terms, we cannot add them. We cannot subtract them. So this is what we have. Here, the first one is 3m squared n. Any other term with m squared n, it is this one, plus m squared n. We are done with m squared n. We come to this, minus 3mn. And this one is nm, not mn. Between 6 and n, there is a multiplication sign. Between n and m, there is a multiplication sign. So for multiplication, 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. So nm is the same as mn. So we can say 6mn. So these two are like terms. We can add them. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4m squared n. These two are like terms. Minus 3 plus 6 plus 3mn. Do you think we can add these two? No, we cannot add them. Why? Because they are unlike terms. Unlike terms, we cannot add them. We cannot subtract them. What makes them unlike? n1, n1, they are the same. M power is 1, m power is 2. That makes them unlike. So unlike terms, we cannot add them. So this is the result we have. The last one is half p squared. Do we have any other term with p squared? Ignore the coefficient. Ignore what is in front. What matters is what? The variable and the power. P squared. Any other one with p squared? We have this one. Plus 4p squared. Here is another. Plus 2p squared. Okay. Now we are done with those with p squared. Minus 3p. Any other term with just p? This one. Minus p. From there, we come to this minus p. So these ones are like terms. We can add them because they have the same variables, they have the same power. Okay, so what do? Half plus 4 is 4 and a half. 4 and a half plus 2 is 6 and a half. So 6 and a half p squared. These are also like terms. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5p. So this is what we have. We cannot subtract them because this p has a power of 1, this p has a power of 2. So they are what? They are unlike terms. Unlike terms, we cannot add them, we cannot subtract them. So this is what we have. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.